Now the next example from practice set 3.1.1 is this. In the following figure, segment PS, this segment PS is perpendicular to QR, okay, or RQ, and segment QT is perpendicular to PR. Here RQ is equal to 6, this is given, RQ is equal to 6, PS this is also 6, and this whole PR is given, it is 12. Okay, then we have to find QT. Okay, so here we have to consider two triangles. Actually triangle is same, but from two different angles we have to consider that triangle. Now here if you observe triangle PQR, then this triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay, for this obtuse angle triangle, QR is the base which is given and PS is the height. Okay, now consider PR as the base of triangle PQR. This side you have to consider as a base, then this QT will be the height. That means this base is given and this height we have to find. That means here one single triangle is there, but we have to consider that triangle in two different ways. Okay, so here we consider those two triangles with different base and different height. So here we use the first property. So we start solution like this. First we write the property. The ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. Okay, so area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle PQR. Same triangle is there, but we have to write their base and height in different angles. Okay, so area of triangle PQR for obtuse angle triangle, here we consider base as a QR into height as a PS, upon for another triangle PQR we consider PR as the base, and height as a QT. Okay, so this same triangle is there, so this area get cancelled, one is left there. So PR into QT, this is in denominator on right hand side. When we take that term on left hand side, it comes with a numerator, and you will get PR into QT is equal to QR into PS. Okay, just substitute the values. PS is given, PR is 12 into QT we have to find is equal to QR is 6 into PS is also 6, and therefore QT is equal to 6 6 are 36, and this 12 is in multiplication on right hand side, it comes in the denominator, then 12 1s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and therefore QT is equal to 3. So in this way you have to find QT. Okay, now just see the next example. In the figure, AP is perpendicular to BC. This AP is perpendicular to BC. AD is parallel to BC. This AD is parallel to BC. Then find area of triangle ABC and area of triangle BCD. Those ratio of those two ratio of area of those two triangles we have to find here. Okay, now if you observe triangle ABC and triangle BCD, both triangles lies between the two parallel lines. Therefore their heights are equal, right? Height is same, AP is the height. Okay, and with common base is also given. Okay, so we start solution like this. Since triangle ABC and triangle BCD lies between two parallel lines, it is given in question, in figure it is observed. Okay, with common base BC, for both the triangle base BC is the common base, and we know that, two triangles with equal base also you can take that, we use that property also here. Directly we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to BC upon BC, okay, into AP upon AP. AP get cancelled, BC get cancelled, you will get 1 upon 1, and therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to as to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. In this way you have to finish this example, or you can use that property also with common with equal height. The ratio of area of two triangles with equal height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases, but base is also common, so BC get cancelled, you will get 1 upon 1, 1:1. Okay, in this way you can solve this example. Now last example we'll see here, next example. So this is the figure. Okay, next example. In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC. This PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC again. Then find the following ratios. First, area of triangle PQB and triangle PBC. So just observe those two triangles. PQB means this triangle, okay, and PBC. In both the triangle, vertex B is the common vertex, and from that PQ is perpendicular drawn on this base BC. So this is the height for both the triangles. Okay, that means those two triangles are triangles with equal height, right? So we start solution like this. Since area of triangle, you have to write that property. You can write that property also. Ratio of area of two triangles with equal height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Okay, you just write that property, and then you write area of triangle APQB, PQB, PQB upon area of triangle PBC, PBC is equal to PQB, it is BQ, upon PBC, that is BC. In short, we can write it here as triangles with equal height. Triangles with equal height. In short, you can write this also. Okay, so this is the first value. Okay, now second one, area of triangle PBC, area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC, ABC is equal to, now PBC and ABC, in both the triangle this base is common base. Okay, and therefore ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of their corresponding heights. For triangle PBC, the height is PQ upon, for ABC, height is AD. Here again you can write that property also, or simply in short we can write as triangles with equal base. Therefore ratio of their area is equal to ratio of their corresponding height. Okay, now third one, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC, ADC is equal to, now for ABC and ADC, in both the triangle if you observe, then AD is the height for triangle ABC. Similarly ADC is a right angle triangle in which AD is the height. That means both triangles have equal height, and therefore a ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of their bases. So first base it is BC upon second one is AD. Here we write, since triangle with equal height, that BC upon, not AD, here it will come as a DC, BC upon DC. Okay, because both equal height is there, so ratio of their area is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. And fourth one, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC is equal to, now ADC and PQC, both triangles have different base, also different height. So we use that property, first property. So you have to write that first property here, since the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to ratio of product of their corresponding bases and heights. Okay, so for triangle ADC, for ADC the base is DC into height is AD upon, for PQC the base is QC into height is PQ. Okay, so in this way you have to finish these examples. Okay, thank you.